All right, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you the emergency first aid kit that we have here. It has 70 items in it. It is very compact. As you can see, my hand is small. We have all 70 items fit in here. This folds down like this. It is very nice. You can see you have your tweezers. This is an emergency whistle you can blow. A pack of safety pins here. We have scissors. I believe this is tape, gauze. Your blanket is in there. You have some bandages over here. All kinds of stuff. Over here we actually have the content list, so you can see tweezers, scissors, whistle, bandages, all kinds of bandages, cleaning pads, sting relief pads, iodine, antiseptic wipes, alcohol pads, burn gel pack, silicone tourniquet, adhesive tape, sterile gauze, swab, another BPT bandage, emergency foil blanket, an eye patch, a wound dressing, cotton swabs, safety pins, and of course the case. And it tells you how many of each thing that you have. Yes, and it all fits neatly inside of this case, which I'm not going to take every item out to show you because then I would never get it back inside this case, which zips up. I will have the link to this item on Amazon for you, so I will put that down below. Thank you for watching the video, and you can like, comment, and subscribe. Here is my backstage co-star, Walter. Say hi, Walter. Thank you, guys.